Hello, welcome to the TrueHost Academy channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through installing WordPress in Xampp. Simply put, install WordPress on your local computer using Xampp. This setup allows you to develop and test WordPress sites locally before going live. Xampp is a free and open source software stack that provides a local development environment for WordPress. With Xampp, you can create a private sandbox on your computer to experiment with WordPress without affecting your live site. Let's get started. First, we need to download and install Xampp. Open a browser and on the address bar, search for Xampp download. Head over to the official Xampp website, apachefriends.org, and hit enter. You will be sent here on this download page. Choose the version that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and download the latest version. After a few seconds, you will see Xampp getting downloaded. After this is done, download WordPress. Just simply search for WordPress download and click on download wordpress.org. Download the latest version of WordPress from wordpress.org. This takes seconds to download. Both the downloads are complete. Let's check the download folder. To install the Xampp server, just double-click on the Xampp installer file and it pops up an interface. It requires administrative permission. Just click yes, and it shows another warning. Just click OK. Follow the installation prompts. Selecting the default options is usually best. Click next to start the installation process. The installation process is almost done. Just click on finish, and here you can see the Xampp control panel, which pops up automatically. On the left, you can see the modules. The key components you need are Apache and Miskill. To install WordPress, these two should be running. To start both, you can see the start button, and they will be green now, so they are running properly. Once they're running, you're ready to set up your WordPress environment. You can also open a web browser, and on the address bar, type http://localhost and hit enter. If you see this interface, Xampp is installed properly on your system. Get back to the download folder, go to the local disk C, and here you can see Xampp. Remember, during the installation, we installed Xampp in the C drive. So to install WordPress, we need to access the web root directory of the Xampp server. The web root directory of the Xampp server is htdocs, so click on the Xampp folder. Here you can see many files and folders. We need the htdocs, so click on it. Open the htdocs folder. This is where we'll place our WordPress files. Just copy it or cut and paste it on the htdocs. Here you can see we have got the zip file inside the htdocs, and we need to unzip it. Right-click on WordPress, and here you will see the WinRAR. Use WinRAR to unzip the WordPress zip file. Click on WordPress and then on the extract here. Remember, selecting the default options is usually best. It will extract it, and on the htdocs, you can see a new folder, WordPress. Inside this folder, you can see all the WordPress-related files. To create a WordPress website inside the Xampp folder, you have to create a folder, and we have already got one. You can choose to rename it or create a new folder. And name it. It can be my site, news site, or anything. This name will always be on the URL, so be careful when selecting. From the WordPress directory, copy all the files and put them all inside this new site folder. Open up the browser again and type http://localhost/newsite or whatever name of your site you chose. Hit enter. You'll see the WordPress setup page. Select your language and click Continue. On the next page, we need a database name. Open your web browser and go to localhost phpMyadmin. This is the interface for managing Miskill databases. Click Databases and create a new database. Name it something relevant like WordPress_DB or Data2. Click Create. Now we have a database name. Let's get back to the browser tab. Click Let's Go. Here, enter your database details. For database name, use the name you created earlier, Data2. For username, use root. By default, the username is root. Leave the password field empty. Leave database host as localhost. Click Submit, and then run the installation. Fill out the site title, username, password, and email address. These details are for logging into your WordPress dashboard. Click Install WordPress, and then log in once the process is complete. Congratulations! You've successfully installed WordPress locally using Xampp. You can now start building and customizing your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.